Toopoli!
Wow, look at this! A magic toolbox. Come on, let's find out.
Tools.
I'm long and thin, I like to spin. I help little screws go in. Turn me left or turn me right. I fix things up nice and tight. Who am I?
Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Screwdriver.
Look! This is a screwdriver. It spins and spins, turning screws super fast. Twist to the left, twist to the right. Wow! It works!
I'm tiny and small, but strong and tight. Hold things together just right. With twist and turn, I go inside, helping everything stay side by side. Who am I?
Screw. Screw. Screw.
Look at this tiny screw. It's small but super strong. This little hero holds everything together.
I pinch and grab with all my might. I hold things super tight. Twist and pull, squeeze so fast. Strong little helper that lasts. Who am I?
Pliers. Pliers. Pliers.
Look, this is a pliers. It can grab and pinch things super tight. Twist, pull, squeeze. Wow, it's so strong.
Twist and turn around a bolt, making tight with steady hold. Big or small, I fit just right, helping fix with all my might. Who am I?
Adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench.
Look, this is adjustable wrench. It can twist bolts big and small. Turn it left, turn it right. Wow, perfect fit.
Back and forth I love to go, cutting wood nice and slow. Zig and zag with a funny sound, making pieces all around. Who am I?
Saw. Saw. Saw.
Wow, this is a saw. It goes back and forth to cut wood. With a saw, we can cut things into pieces.
Your turn to say.
Can you guess the tool?
Screwdriver.
Can you guess the tool?
Screw.
Can you guess the tool?
Pliers.
Can you guess the tool?
Adjustable wrench.
Can you guess the tool?
Saw.
Bye-bye!
Goodbye, friends. I love you. See you soon.